keeping everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible service now and in the future, and this type of feedback motivates us to keep working hard. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.